Hello, dear friends. Good morning, everybody. Myself, Dr. K.N. Gaikwad, Associate Professor, Department of Botany, KTHM College, Nasik. Today, we are going to learn our botany paper third practical BO 243. And today's practical aim is rate of transpiration in different environmental conditions, that is light, shade, and wind. Aim is that determine the rate of transpiration under different conditions of sunlight, shade, and wind. Principle is that a removal of water in vapor form from aerial plant part such as cuticle, lenticule, and stomata is called transpiration. Transpiration is nothing but the physiological process in which excess water will transfer from the stomata or lenticule and cuticle. About 95 to 99% of water absorbed by plants is thrown in atmosphere via transpiration. Stomatal transpiration accounts for about 80% of the total transpiration. That means more and water become transferred in the form of water vapors through the stomata. This process is very useful for absorption of water through roots and circulation in different plant parts for different metabolical activities. The rate of transpiration can be measured by burette pottometer. Now, what is the requirements for today's practical? Plant material, healthy clean twig of Gava or Ashoka or neem plant. But commonly we can use neem plant which is easily available. Apparatus and glasswares, burette pottometer, stand, beaker, fan, graph papers, blade, etc. These are the requirements for this practical. I am going to repeat. Burette pottometer is one of the apparatus. Then stand for fixing the burette meter on the stand. Then beaker, then fan, graph paper, blade, etc. Chemicals required for today's practical is plaster of Paris, edible oil, and water. Now let us see what is the procedure. First of all, we have to take the burette pottometer, fix the burette pottometer to the stand, fill it with water, select fresh, healthy, and clean twig, count the number of leaves and clean them with cloth, cut the twig at the base under water and insert it quickly in upright position in the cork of burette pottometer. Now this is the apparatus. This apparatus is called burette pottometer. This is the rubber tube is there. Now these are here in burette pottometer. There are the scales are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ml. Calibrated pipette is there, and this is the place of burette pottometer in which we have to insert the plant twig. Then remove the air bubbles, make the apparatus. After we have to fill the water in this barometer and we have to make the level 0 here. Then after fixing the plant twig on the cork of the burette pottometer, we have to make apparatus airtight using the plaster of Paris. That means plaster of Paris is fixed here are used for making the airtight of apparatus. Then after that, after filling the water, make the level of water at the 0 and add oil of drop in open tube to avoid the evaporation. To avoid the evaporation, we have to add 1 drop of the edible oil or coconut oil. To avoid the transpiration of water, evaporate the water from this open side. Then after that, we have to note the initial water level. Then note the change of water level after fix the time, for example, for 10 minutes, and take the reading under the different environmental condition like wind, shade, and direct sunlight. First of all, we have to place the apparatus in the wind by using the fan. Then after 10 minutes, we have to check the reading or what amount of the water become evaporated with the help of plant twig. For each environmental condition, we have to take the 3 readings. 1, 2, 3. 3 readings we have to take in shade, 3 readings in wind, and 3 readings in the direct sunlight. Dear student, this apparatus is called burette photometer. This is the pipette, this is the rubber tube is there, and this is the open here yes, a rubber cork is there, and plant body is fixed in the rubber cork and make the airtight with the plaster of Paris. And in this point, we have to add 1 ml, 1 drop of the oil to avoid the evaporation from the open side. Then second point is that total transpiring area. Detach 1 medium size of leaf of the twig used for experiment. Place it on graph paper and draw the outline. Measure the area by counting the square covered in outline. When leaf is amphistomatic, that is both dorsal and ventral surfaces transpire water, hence multiply the leaf area by 2. Now count the number of leaves on twig and multiply it with leaf area. It will be total transpiring area is that. Now let us see what is the procedure. If twig precaution takes during this practical, if twig cut under water is not inserted quickly to the photometer, air bubbles will be enter the twig and block the xylem. This will not give expected result. That's why after taking the oblique section of the lower side of the plant twig, immediately we have to insert in the burette photometer. Then second precaution is that take oblique cut of stem of twig underwater so that more xylem tissue get exposed. This will increase the rate of transpiration. And third precaution that if the apparatus is not made airtight properly, expected results are not obtained. These 3 precautions may be taken during the practical. Now this is the observation table. After taking the 3 readings of each different environmental condition, we have to take the mean. They are the environmental condition, shade, light, and wind. Now these are the burette reading for 10 minutes or 30 minutes. You can take 30 or 10 or 20 minutes depending upon the availability of the time. If the initial readings are make 0, then final readings are mean are nothing but 0.3, difference is 0.3, in sunlight 0.7, and in 0.5. That means rate of the transpiration is more and more in direct sunlight. Then second reading will be wind, and less water become transpired in shade. These are the readings in red color for your understanding. Actually, when we have to do the practical, readings may be different. Now this is the observation table for counting the rate of transpiration in different conditions. First of all, we have to put the burette photometer in shade, then wind, and in sunlight. Now this is the calculation. The formula of transpiration is total transpiring area centimeter square per centimeter square. Total number of leaves and leaf area divided by 2. But during regular practical, we have to calculate the rate of transpiration for B formula. Rate of transpiration ml per centimeter square per hour. The formula is what is amount of the ml of water transferred to the leaves in 10 minutes or 20 minutes or 30 minutes. We have to multiply it in the hours per hour and divided by total transpiration area. And after using this formula, we have to write the readings in for shade, for sunlight, for wind. And finally, we have to conclude the practical result. As per the regular practicals, by year, we can conclude that the rate of transpiration is high in sunlight than shade and wind. Now, dear student, this is one of the practical belongs to the physiology. How to measure the rate of transpiration by using the healthy plant twig. Thank you.